Arman usually picked aisle seats, but today he got 27A, the window. He stepped into the plane, uneasy. A man was already sitting in the aisle seat, wearing dark glasses, still as stone. Arman sat quietly by the window, uneasy. The man didn't speak, didn't look at him. The silence between them was heavy. Under his seat, Arman found a torn photo, a woman and child. The man didn't react, but the air around them grew colder. The man rolled up his sleeve, a number tattooed on his wrist, 27A. Arman's heart skipped. The lights flickered. The captain announced, "Technical issue near row 27. Arman stood up. Without looking back, he asked for a new seat. The crew gave him 18F. He left row 27 behind. Mid-flight, someone collapsed. Row 27. It was the man. He didn't make it. After landing, Arman returned for his bag. The torn photo was still there. On his boarding pass, someone had written 27A. Later, Arman heard the man wasn't on the list. No ID, no name, no record. Some seats hold more than passengers. Some carry stories you were never meant to sit in.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.